Introducing the Cord King Firewood processor lineup. Since 1978, Cord King has been manufacturing the world's most productive firewood processors. Cord King is the only manufacturer of firewood processors that stand behind their equipment with a lifetime splitter warranty for the original purchaser. If it breaks, Cord King will pay for the repair. The Cord King lineup starts with the rugged little M1820 with its bulletproof 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine. With an 18-inch diameter cutting capacity, a 6-way hydraulic adjustable wedge, choice of log lift or 2-leg live deck, this machine is very capable and can produce 2 full cords of firewood per hour without breaking a sweat. Cord King's M2030 comes standard with a super reliable 50 horsepower Cat diesel engine. It has 20-inch diameter cutting capacity, 16-foot in-feed conveyor with 3-leg live deck, a deluxe operator's seat, and 6-way hydraulic adjustable splitter wedge. This machine has been targeted by many startup firewood businesses as a machine of choice. With Cord King's trade-up program, you can run one of these machines for up to 12 months and receive 100% trade-in allowance. Capable of producing 3 full cords of firewood per hour, the M2030 is ready, willing, and able to turn a tidy profit for your business. Take the same 50 horsepower diesel engine, add a heavy-duty tubular frame, and a 36-inch carbide tooth circular saw, and you have the CS1630. With the same character as its baby brother, the M2030, this machine will produce an astonishing 4 full cords of firewood per hour. That's a 33% increase in production with the same horsepower. The carbide tip slasher saw is capable of cutting up to a 16-inch diameter log while eliminating countless hours of maintenance, not to mention its superior cutting ability. Storing and releasing the kinetic energy in the saw blade is the key to the increased productivity rate. Add a 60 horsepower diesel engine, a 40-inch carbide tip slasher saw, and you have the CS1830. With an 18-inch diameter cutting capacity and a 3.5-second cycle time, the 1830 is capable of producing 5 full cords of firewood per hour. Built on the 1630 platform, the 1830 is very capable of delivering product with effortless comfort. Add a heated operator's cab and you can operate in all adverse weather conditions. If high production, low maintenance, longevity, and the highest productivity rates available are what you're looking for, then look no further than the CS2040, CS2440, or CS2740. Available with massive splitter tonnage capacities like the 58-ton gram shown here, running through an 18-way packaging wedge, Cord King has answered the call of many a firewood producer. With these machines operating in 16 different countries worldwide, Cord King has proven time and time again that they lead the way with innovation, productivity, and reliability. Now let's have a closer look at some of the standard features available on the CS2040, CS2440, and CS2740 processors. All these machines come standard with pintle hitch, breakaway switch, lights, and electric brakes, making it legal for highway use. Coming standard with high-efficiency hydraulic oil cooler, these machines can handle even the hottest summer day. The oil cooler is thermostatically controlled for automatic operation. The double-welded hydraulic oil tank comes standard with internal 140 micron suction strainers and external 15 micron return filters. During operation, the hydraulic oil tank becomes pressurized to 10 psi, keeping all contaminants out of the hydraulic system. The hydraulic oil level gauge is also outfitted with temperature gauge for easy monitoring. Coming standard with your choice of diesel engine manufacturer, the horsepower ranges from 99 to 140 horsepower and have a standard 2-year, 3,000-hour warranty. Cord King leads the way in power and reliability. A 4-stage hydraulic pump is fitted to the diesel engine directly and all hydraulic pumps are protected with a pressure relief system. These cutting machines are available with 48-inch, 54-inch, or 60-inch diameter 2-gauge saw blades, fitted with .440 hollow point carbide tips. The carbide tips are silver soldered to a shank for easy on-site replacement. Tip sharpening is also quick and easy, and typically at a frequency of every 1,000 to 1,500 full cords of firewood produced. Hitting nails or fence wire buried in a log are no issue for the carbide tip saw. The controls on every Cord King are identical with two-handle operation. The left hand simply runs the splitter, while the right hand joystick feeds and cuts the log. All other control levers are for auxiliary equipment. Engine controls are conveniently located and have low oil pressure, high temperature safety shutdowns. Also available from Cord King is an optional auto split cycle. Splitter wedge design on a Cord King can be custom tailored to suit the desired finished product your customers desire. Hydraulic adjustable wedges, as shown here, also provide greater flexibility in the finished product. Having a fast splitter cycle time with maximum power output is the key to producing a high production firewood processor. As you can see here, the splitter ram on the CS2040 can fully extend and retract in a mere 2 seconds. The fully adjustable hydraulic stop can be set to your desired length of cut and is capable of maintaining a plus or minus 1/8 length tolerance. Simply removing 2 bolts enables you to adjust the log stop from 8 to 24-inch cuts. Twin 12,000-pound stabilizer jacks are located on both rear corners of the machine, adding to the operational comfort of the processor. Cord King manufactures a complete line of offloading conveyors from 12 to 50 feet in length. Simply raise a conveyor with the winch, lock the safety chain, and you are ready to go. A debris conveyor or debris tumbler can also be easily connected in hydraulic series to any Cord King. A hydraulic power takeoff is located on the back of all Cord Kings that enable the operator to run either the offloading conveyor or used to fold up an optional hydraulic folding live deck. Loading the rugged live deck on a Cord King is simply done using a log or front-end loader. We are now going to demonstrate the Cord King CS2040, which is capable of cutting logs up to 20 inches in diameter and up to 40 feet long. With the live deck loaded, we will now begin. With a cut-to-cut cycle time of less than 3 seconds, a typical 2-man crew running logs like the ones shown in this video would produce in excess of 10 full cords per hour. Heavy-duty 81X log chains on the live deck are used to index a log into the in-feed conveyor. Large 3-inch high dogs on the WR78 in-feed chain propel the log to the hydraulic log stop. As the saw starts to come down into the log stop retracts 1 inch, providing a clearance that prevents the log from pinching on the saw blade. Once the log drops into the splitter chamber, the splitter is cycled, all the while the log is advanced and the next piece of wood is awaiting cutting. With engineered timing, The next piece of wood should be dropping into the splitter chamber just as the splitter returns to the home position. An averagely coordinated person can become a competent operator in as little as 2 hours of training. The bottom line is this: if you are in the market for a firewood processor, Cord King has a machine for you. We are flexible and willing to custom build a machine to your specifications. If trading your existing machine is an option, Cord King accepts all brands on trade. It may be worth more than you think. Productivity, reliability, longevity, and simplicity are all keys that put Cord King a cut above the rest. Simply the best.